register the vehicle, so you can go to list, you need to walk in.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Do you have the registration form? I think. Oh, they're okay.
It shouldn't cost you anything.
Yeah, that's what she told me.
Yeah. It's just paperwork. No, I live here.
Thank you.
Yeah. Your first one.
So you need to sign that, or just like that? Oh, figure that one out. Oh, yeah.
Right, thanks for being patient.
Oh, please, come on. Kidding me? People get upset. Sorry, did I say that out loud when I meant to say it?
My thought is, Diet Coke.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too, have a great day.